Well, I got the documents right here, Mike, and the attorneys were not in the courtroom long. They drafted up this terms of agreement days before they actually came to court today, and it seems like a lot of what the business owners were demanding, they got it in this agreement sheet here. You have removal of barricades in work zones that are complete, pedestrian crossings, the establishment of those crossings in the work zones, also some demands on communicating, extended delays, providing notifications ahead of time. And I'm here with Bob Ellis, the engine behind the terms of agreement here, and you are representing these business owners in the French Quarter. Does it seem like a victory for you?
It's an absolute victory. It's a consent judgment that Sewage and Water Board agreed to. We negotiated with them. My clients basically got everything they asked for. The main thing was the removal of the barricades, and if there's going to be any other barricades going up, 72 hours notice. They have to give us a construction schedule so the business is well aware of what type of time frame they're looking at. But the main victory is the removal of the barricades, and I have to say that 2/3 of those barricades are already down.
Anything on here that you think still needs to be done as far as getting the Sewage and Water Board on board with what the business owners want?
Well, this part of is the injunctive relief, and we pretty much got everything we requested. So there's really nothing else we could have received today. The damage phase is next, and that'll come later. And that's the economic damages, damage to property, and those items. And that's the next phase. But today is 100% victory for my clients. They're very happy.
What happens if the Sewage and Water Board does not come through with these agreements?
Well, that's a great question. And the reason we didn't do just a settlement agreement, which you can do, and we did it as a consent judgment, is because if they don't do something that they're ordered to do and they consented to do it, they're in contempt of court. And as an attorney, I will tell you, you never want to be in contempt of court, but you definitely don't want to be in contempt of Judge Cates' court. And Judge Cates reviewed the consent judgment and heard the attorneys, heard from us, and he agreed with it. So.
And last thing, how did you get the Sewage and Water Board to agree so quickly? You weren't in the courtroom for not even 3 minutes.
We started immediately after we filed. The news coverage on this caused Sewage and Water Board a lot of concern, to say the least. And then when the judge said, we're going to trial today and you're going to present evidence, I think they understood. And I think the judge kind of gave indications just by being in chambers. And so we worked with Sewage and Water Board. Their attorney did a very good job of working with us and giving us everything we needed.